Important terms in contract costing helps to understand the concept of costing methods and in preparing the contract costing. In this presentation, you will be able to outline the important terms in contract costing, outline the procedure of profit and loss account on incomplete contracts, interpret the differences between job and contract costing. Do you know what is work in progress? Net expenditure on a contract is known as work in progress. The net expenditure is arrived at by adding the various expenses incurred on a contract. For the purpose of finding out the actual expenditure on a contract, it is necessary to add the various items shown on the debit side of the contract and deduct from the total. Moving on to the next slide. Do you know what is work certified? The value of work completed as certified by the architect of the contractee is known as work certified. The amount of work certified is debited to the contractee's account and credited to the contract account. Continuing from the previous slide. Work uncertified refers to the work completed but not certified by the architect. It is the work done since the date of certification. The work that is uncertified is always valued at cost and debited to the work in progress account, the credit being given to the contract account. Moving on to the next slide. Let us discuss the differences between work certified and work uncertified. Work certified. That part of the work in progress which has been approved by the contractee's architect or engineer for payment. It is valued at contract price, that is, selling price, and includes an element of profit. It represents work done during the period and also certified by the architect or surveyor. Work uncertified. That part of work in progress which is not approved by contractee's architect or engineer for payment. It is valued at cost and thus does not include an element of profit. It represents work done during the period but not yet certified by the architect or surveyor. Continuing from the previous slide. Work certified. The amount of work certified is based on architect's certificates. It includes a profit element since it is based on the contract price. It is considered for calculating the percentage of completion. Work uncertified. Cost of work certified is based on the contractor's own estimate. It is a conservative cost estimate and does not include any profit element. It is not considered in the calculation of the percentage of completion. What is the meaning of retention money and cash ratio? Full amount of work certified will not be paid. The contractee may pay a fixed percentage, say 80% to 90% of the work certified depending on terms of the contract. It is known as cash ratio, and the balance amount is known as retention money. Do you know the meaning of extra work? At times, contractor is required to do some extra work like additions or alterations over and above original work done as per agreement. The contractor will charge extra money for extra work, which is debited to contract account, and extra price released is credited to contract account.